Fake video recordings that look and sound like the real thing, called deepfakes, have been around for some time now. The ability to synthesize human images and videos of things that people never said or did might seem scary. However, with the rise of FaceSwap apps and the integration of deepfakes into Snapchat, it seems like this technology is mostly being used for entertainment, at least in the mainstream. Here are some of the best deepfake sites and apps where you can learn about deepfakes and even make a few of your own. Deepface Lab. Deepface Lab is one of the first deepfake apps for Windows to appear on the internet. It's a great option if you're looking to get a deeper understanding of deepfakes and the technology behind them. Deepface Lab allows you to swap faces, replace the whole head, age a person, or change their lip movement. Deepface Lab was created for researchers and computer vision students, so it's definitely not the most user-friendly software on this list. You'll need a powerful PC to run it, not to mention it will take time before you understand how the software works. This is the real deal hardcore deepfake software experience. That being said, you'll probably find a better and more advanced deepfake app that you can use for free. FaceSwap. FaceSwap is another free and open source deepfake app. It's powered by TensorFlow, Keras, and Python, and can be used for learning and training purposes. If you're more interested in the process of creating a deepfake video than in the deepfake result itself, FaceSwap has an active forum where you can ask questions about it and find tutorials on how to create deepfakes. They also offer guides on how to use the software for complete beginners. FaceSwap runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux, although the developers recommend using a powerful GPU since the process of face swapping on a CPU is, quote-unquote, incredibly slow. Reface. Do you exchange a lot of GIFs and memes with your friends and family? Then Reface is the right app for you. The software uses the face swapping AI called Reface AI to superimpose your face on GIFs and images. Creating a deepfake image in Reface is very simple. Snap a picture of your face and choose a GIF or popular meme from the app's gallery. The app will then create a personalized image with your face on it. The accuracy of the result will depend on your face symmetry and the GIF you're using. The good news is Reface has a lot of options that you can try until you get the perfect deepfake. There are legitimate privacy concerns when it comes to the rise of deepfakes, ones we should all be concerned about. Apps such as these can help you understand how deepfakes are made, how to spot them, and get an appreciation for how good they are when done right. But that doesn't mean you can't also have a bit of fun at the same time you're learning about them. See you next time.